the curious world of twitchers. Hello dear learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of English expressions to explore the interesting term, twitcher. Have you ever come across this word and wondered what it means? Well, today's your lucky day. Let's get started. Twitcher is a British term, and it refers to a person who is very enthusiastic about birdwatching. They're not just casual observers of birds. These are individuals who will often travel great distances to see a rare bird species. Think of them as the ultimate bird enthusiasts. The word twitcher is believed to have originated from the word twitch, which means to make a sudden jerky movement. The term might have been used humorously at first, suggesting the quick, sudden movements birdwatchers make when spotting a rare bird. Over time, it evolved into a term of endearment among the birdwatching community. To help you understand better, here are a few example sentences. 1. Jane is a dedicated twitcher. She traveled to Africa just to see a rare eagle species. 2. If you're a twitcher, the Amazon rainforest offers a plethora of bird species to observe. 3. At the park, I met a twitcher who gave me some excellent tips on spotting rare birds. And that's the world of twitchers for you. Next time you meet someone enthusiastic about birdwatching, you'll know the perfect term to describe them. We hope this video has illuminated a quirky corner of the English language for you. Happy learning and happy birdwatching!